The year 2020 was so stressful, but I started my channel Simplicity in this year itself. So take a look at all the things I did in this year.
Hey, what are you doing here? And welcome to my channel Simplicity.
That was just the beginning. Let's see what I did next.
The gingery taste of the fish curry, crunchy cabbages, the spicy fish fry, and the mellow, delicate gravy tastes amazing.
Yes, I was a little thin at that time, and then I started putting on weight because I was cooking and eating yummy dishes.
Look at this. I had ordered for something from Amazon and it just got delivered. Yay! Now let me show you some unboxing of this. I hope you will really.
And that was my first product review. I really didn't have a clue how to do it, but I did it really well, I guess.
Do what? Let's do something new today. I am going to show you a very important thing which is the need of the hour right now. Yes, it is about the eyebrows. I'm going to teach you all how to do your eyebrows at home with the things which are available readily at your home. No, I'm not going to suggest you any electronic gadget or buy something. No, I'm not going to.
And the next thing was beauty tips, and that was real because I do the same thing on myself, and that's what I showed you all.
The tasting part is the best part, you know. Amazing. I will be taking these spiced onions and bhature. So now let's start. Let me show you how to make a bite.
Chole bhature, my favorite, but since I am on a diet mission right now, I'm not supposed to eat it. When the lockdown was relaxed a bit and the first time when I had gone out, I even included you guys with me. I made a video and showed it to y'all that how the streets look outside for people who are not stepping out.
Beautiful. The streets are empty now, but the drive is awesome.
So during the initial phase of lockdown, when home delivery for food was not allowed, I had taught this yummy quick biryani recipe.
Really cooked very well. Potatoes and onion salad. So look at this, the rice has really come out very well and it is looking so delicious. And
this Ricoh fan review, this was the best review I made and I really loved it. I still have that fan at home. Whenever there is a power failure, I have this fan handy with me.
Horizontal oscillation. The oscillation is over. Even you go and buy it.
This is Ambi Valley!
Because I already had something on my way, so I was not that hungry, so I had ordered some mutton biryani for myself and I was having it, and believe me, it was really tasty. Like this break was really needed for me after 6 long months. Look at the sky, wow.
The smile on my face itself says I was so happy when the lockdown opened and I went for my first vacation to Ambi Valley. This year's Diwali was a little different, but it was good, it was not bad. It's up to us to make it good even in a simple way.
lots of sweets, clean house, and beautiful lit up diyas and rangolis. Amazing, tasty sweet. Our entire complex was lit up, and this really makes everybody thrilled, and even the kids love celebrating Diwali because they get to light up firecrackers. But this year, so this is how it is done. Yeah.
Kids are good friend, the parent is good friend, his family are good friend, and good YouTubers friend. She's my friend.
I had invited my friend Zahara, who's an Indonesian, for Diwali dinner, and it was an amazing time.
And to me, guys, thank you so much for watching. God bless all of you all.
I celebrated my birthday by going to Mount Mary Church, and I cut the cake and ate it myself.
It refreshes your mind and makes you feel so alive. So here I have come to check into my room. Finally, feeding them. They were even.
So after that I got even more courageous and I went to Della Resorts for another vacation.
Eating grams along with these hay, and he loved horses a lot, it seems, and he has his own horses too, it seems, and he was really knowing everything about horses, and he was giving me so much information.
Even my visit to Fort Jadavgarh was really amazing. I would suggest all of y'all to visit this place at least once.
We are driving to Fort Jadavgarh, located at Saswad near Pune city.
After this, I found myself visiting restaurants to have dinner and thought I'll never do that, but I did it. But we should use all the safety measures. We should wear a mask, we should sanitize our hands, and then everything becomes safe if we take care.
Now it's a Chinese restaurant, so I decided to visit 3 different restaurants on different days and rate them for you so that y'all can make a choice, but this choice is according to me. So y'all can judge accordingly and decide. So as soon as next place which I visited was Beirut at Powai. This was on another day which I had gone.
So now it was December and time for Christmas, and I was here teaching you how to make Christmas lunch. I hope even y'all try
it, and we'll cook it just for a while, just for a few minutes. So what I'll do is I'll cut this to around 1-inch pieces. I'll show you what we make for Christmas breakfast, and even you can make the same for yourself. So let's learn what to make in my home cooking style. Good, it was so hearty. It was a hearty kind of a soup, and I really enjoyed it. I would suggest all of you all to have this. It was really healthy and my kind of soup. So for Suma,
to be in a panic mode to invite your friends or family for a lunch or dinner at your place. But I've often seen people getting really restless when they invite people for lunch or dinner because they don't have a proper plan in mind. It need not be Christmas to have a good hearty meal of your choice. So go ahead and make whatever you feel like and enjoy each day of your life.
Christmas lunch has to be really special. So what should we make for Christmas? Let me show you how in my kitchen. I am not a chef, I just do some home cooking. So in my style, even you can learn it very easily. I have some salad which I have already cut in the beginning itself. Goes along with this kind of a dinner. So look at our mashed potatoes. They are looking super amazing. So we just have to take
Enjoy each day of your life very beautifully. And a really very happy and lucky 2021 to all of you. I really pray that our next year will be smashing hit and it should be wonderful for all of us. God bless us. Happy New Year, all of you. Mwah. Stay connected next year too. Bye. If you are watching this video and have not subscribed to me, please subscribe immediately.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, Simply City.